Good morning, investors. It's your stock professor here, and let's head to the analysis right away. We'll first look at Tesla right now. As I mentioned yesterday, Tesla is in a correction area right now, so I'm expecting it'll be a little stagnant for a while, but we can expect to surpass the recent high in the early 2025. As you can see here, the recent high, which is around 415, we passed that line recently. We can see that the pressure line became a supporting line. We can see that the line supported the chart right here and it bounced back up. But right now, these indicators are showing downtrend. So we can expect a little bit of correction, a stagnant correction right now. But in the early 2025, which is not too far away, we can expect Tesla to rise above the recent high, which is over here. And I would say it is a good chance to buy and add more Tesla to your portfolio. It might seem a little scary when the chart is so high right now. It's been only going up, although it has been getting a little bit of correction, but that is okay. Right now is definitely not a timing to be worried about Tesla right now. As for Apple, I would say we have a little bit of space to grow, but as you can see, we have 3 dead crosses in 3 of the indicators here. So we can expect a little bit of correction the next few days, but it's definitely not a place to worry about. If you're a long-term investor, you can just hold it. If you're looking at short-term, you would want to focus on whether the green line supports the candle or not, which is over here. We will look at Nvidia right now. We can see 2 gold crosses in the midterm indicator and the long-term indicator, and the chart is looking very, very nice. And yes, we had a little bit of downtrend the past few days over here, but as you can see, the long-term indicator and the midterm indicator was showing a downtrend. We did have a little bit of downtrend the past few days, but with the golden cross over here in the midterm and the long-term, we can say that it is a start of an uptrend. So I would say right now is a chance to add a little bit of Nvidia in your portfolio. But we can also see a dead cross over here in the short-term indicator. So I wouldn't say right now is the cheapest price. We might see a little bit of correction in the next few days. But on the long run, as you can see here, we can expect a little bit more rise. There's more space to grow. Now we will look at Eli Lilly. It's a very stable and strong stock, and it's been showing a very stable rise as well, like this. But it has been getting quite a bit of a correction recently, and it's lasting longer than expected. As you can see, it's been stably going up like this, but recently there was this correction right now, and it's moving sideways. And when the chart is moving sideways, it's not really a good sign. And right now, there isn't really a good signal that the trend will be shifting anytime soon. I'm guessing it'll stay stagnant for a little more while, but I'll be letting you guys know when it starts showing some good signals. And now we'll move on to SOXL. As you can see, the long-term indicator is showing an uptrend, and we can see a golden cross in the midterm, but we see a dead cross in the short-term indicator, so we can expect a little bit of correction in the next few days. And also, it is not a really good sign when these MA lines are tangling up. It's always a better sign when you see golden crosses in the MAs, like here. It's always a good sign when the MAs are listed in the order from short term to longest term. So we will have to wait and see how the stock moves for a while. So I wouldn't recommend this stock at the moment. I would rather invest in other stocks with stronger momentum and come back when the chart looks a little nicer. Now we will look at VOO, an ETF that I really like. It's basically investing in the S&P 500, which I believe everyone should be investing in. And as you can see, it's one of the most stable stock in the market. So I like to collect whenever I determine that it's at the lower point, like here, 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 and here. Right now, as you can see, it's been rising a little bit for the past few days. So we can see here a small correction, and we can expect a little bit more correction the next few days. So stay tuned and don't miss out on the lower points, which I will be telling you. And please stop buying at the peak. You're gonna waste your time like that. And one thing I want to mention is that I am aware the chart can become a little more inaccurate and unreliable when the stock market is not stable. But as of now, we can see from the Nasdaq Composite Index that it's in a stable uptrend. Like this. So we shouldn't worry about our investments right now. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, as they really help me continue making more videos like this to help you guys. Stay safe and healthy and enjoy your weekend.